Pearl stain. This stain is specific for hemosiderin within tissue sections. Firstly, we need to remove the wax from sections. So to do this, we place them in xylene for 3 minutes, then again for further 3, followed by 2 minutes in 100% alcohol twice, and 70% ethanol at the end. Firstly, make up a solution with equal volumes of hydrochloric acid and potassium ferrocyanide. This should be freshly prepared. Place this solution on top of the tissue sections for 5 minutes. Sections can be counterstained in nuclear red fast solution for 20 minutes. We will now dehydrate these tissue sections. Place in absolute ethanol for 1 minute and again for another 1 minute. We will clear it in xylene for 2 minutes and placing it in xylene again for further 3 minutes.